Hi, my name is Janine Pruitt, and I recently purchased an electric water heater from John Owens and Company. And the reason I purchased it is because I got it for free. And I mean for free. You have to put the money up front, but once you get your 3 rebates, the water heater was free. My old gas water heater was 12 years old, and I was ready for a new water heater, and I decided to go electric. 1, because it's free, and 2, to help our environment. And the guys that came out and installed it did an excellent job. They were very professional. They got the job done in about 6 hours. They had to rewire my electric for my electric water heater because before, like I said, I had a gas one. But the guys did a fantastic job. And I got my emails already. I'm going to be getting my rebates in a couple weeks here from when the job started. So I highly recommend to buy a free electric water heater.